Nearly 5 years after 5-year-old Michael Vaughan vanished from his front yard, the man accused of killing him faced a judge again today. Stacey Wondra returned to a Payette County courtroom for the third and final day of his preliminary hearing today. The judge just returned to the courtroom and decided to send the case to district court. He says prosecutors presented sufficient probable cause. The prosecution wrapped up its evidence this afternoon and presented closing arguments. The defense made their case, saying the prosecution is guessing what happened to Michael and that they didn't prove probable cause to send the case to district court. Take a listen.
They took every effort imaginable to try to hide from this crime, and they were very good at it, frankly, but not perfect.
It surpasses reason to think that a little boy was kidnapped and died and buried, and they didn't find anything. But at the end of the day, what Detective Kelleher thinks, what the state thinks, it doesn't matter. It's what they can prove.
Wondra faces charges of first-degree murder, kidnapping, destruction of evidence, and persistent violator in the death of Vaughan, the Fruitland boy known to his friends and family as Monkey, who disappeared in July of 2021. The prosecution amended their complaint this afternoon, removing premeditation from the murder charge. And this morning, a video call between Wondra and his mom was shown while a Fruitland police detective was on the stand. In that call, Wondra is crying and telling his mom he's sorry, saying he wouldn't have gotten involved in any of this if not for his then wife, Sarah. Wondra's mom tells him he needs to cooperate and tell the police the entire truth about what happened to Michael.
Baby, is Michael alive?
Sarah accidentally killed him.
How?
Suffocation. They buried him in a duffel bag.
How was that an accident?
She didn't realize there was too much clothes on top of him.
Why did she take him?
He was duct taped.
Now, during interviews with detectives shown yesterday in court, Wondra points the finger at Sarah and his roommates, Adrian Lucian and Brandon Shirtliff, claiming they kidnapped Michael to sell him, accidentally suffocated him in the duffel bag, and then buried his body in their backyard. Wondra is actually the only one facing charges currently, though, for the kidnapping and murder of Michael Vaughan. Our Morgan Romero will have more from inside the courtroom today, coming up on the news at 6. But again, we have just heard the judge ruling that this case will move forward. It will move now to district court.